is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 NauticStar 243. That's a 24-foot deck boat by NauticStar. We'll start off at the stern. This boat comes equipped with a Yamaha 4-stroke 200 horsepower engine. You got to walk through here. Plenty of storage up here. On the stern, you got a nice walk through here. You got a place for a table set up. Back aft. Nice big storage well. This boat is equipped with a head. It does have a sink. There's your table in there as well. This boat comes equipped with a freshwater sink, a nice little storage underneath the sink, full instrumentation with a Simrad Infinity stereo, full gauge cluster. On this boat, this boat even comes with a bow filler cushion, so you have a nice big sun pad up front. This boat comes equipped with a cooler station also. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.